Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Shiba Inu on Uphold and want to move it to your Arculus wallet for better security in 2025, you're in the right place. This quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step, so you can do it safely and efficiently. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have your Uphold account set up and verified. You'll also need your Arculus wallet app installed on your device and ready to receive funds. Security is key in crypto, so double-check that your wallet address is correct before we start. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets section and find your Shiba Inu holdings. It's usually listed under Cryptocurrencies. Look for the SHIB icon. Step 2. Select Shiba Inu from your assets. Click on it to open the details page, then look for the Withdraw or Send button. This is where the magic happens. Step 3. Enter the withdrawal amount. Decide how much SHIB you want to transfer. Remember to leave some for any network fees. Then, choose the withdrawal network. For Shiba Inu, you'll likely use Ethereum ERC20, since that's the standard for most SHIB transactions. Step 4. Input your Arculus wallet address. Go to your Arculus app, copy the wallet address for SHIB, and paste it into the Uphold withdrawal form. Always verify the address to avoid sending funds to the wrong place. That could mean losing your crypto forever. Step 5. Review the transaction details. Check the amount, fees, and destination address one last time. If everything looks good, confirm the withdrawal. You'll probably need to approve it with two-factor authentication for extra security. Step 6. Wait for the transaction to process. This can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, open your Arculus wallet app and refresh to see your SHIB arrive. And there you have it. Your Shiba Inu is now safely in your Arculus wallet. Remember, crypto prices can be volatile, so always stay informed. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.